I'm very happy to be back here today. I welcome you all to Lastogenic BIZZTALK. Alright, in today's video, I'll be talking on how to make money daily. How to make money daily by watching video ads on your phone with Fire VIP. I want to tell you confidently that there are several ways whereby you can make money online, and watching video advert is one of the ways. But I also want to tell you that this video ads watching is what you are doing on daily basis, but it's somehow unknowingly, or maybe I should say that you are not conscious of it, because whenever you are on social media, especially Facebook and Instagram, it is see some video adverts that will pop up. They will surely pop out, and you take your time to watch all these videos, but you are not getting paid for it. But what if you are channelizing your effort to a way whereby you get paid for it? Okay, so that is the reason why I'm introducing you to Fire VIP. It is one of the ways whereby I personally have been making money online, and I think that it's worth sharing with you guys, because many people, including me, have been making money with Fire VIP, and because it's a way whereby you watch video ads connected to your Facebook, and you get paid for it. So by so doing, you start making money online with your phone. It's high time you wake from your slumber, from your sleep. It's high time you turn your phone to an asset. It's high time you turn your phone to a money making machine. You are spending your time, your resources on your phone on daily basis, but it's bringing nothing to you, so it's more of a liability to you. So I want to tell you that you need to change your orientation about how you make use of your phone. You need to turn your phone to a money making machine. You need to turn it to an asset. So this is what I will be teaching you in today's video. So what you need to do is to stay back, stay tuned, watch this video to the very end, so that you can have the full information that I'm about to pass to you guys. Alright, but before I proceed, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of this wonderful channel called Lastogenic BIZZTALK, because here in Lastogenic BIZZTALK I review online investment platform, and I give you my sincere recommendation. It's also a way whereby I share with you some ways whereby I have been making money online, and I believe it's worth sharing. So this channel is mainly for financial education and not for financial advice. For that reason, you are also expected to do your own due diligence research before you venture into any of the content being shared here, because you need to be responsible for your action. Okay. And if you have any questions concerning this video or any of the content on Lastogenic BIZZTALK, feel free to contact me through my email address or through my WhatsApp contact right here. This is my WhatsApp number, this is my email address. I'm going to reply your messages as soon as possible. And also, if you are new here or you are yet to subscribe, please kindly do that now. Subscribe to this channel, and also click on the notification bell and turn it all on, so that you'll be continually aware of the next updates. And if after you have watched this video you found it to be very, very meaningful, useful and helpful, please don't hesitate to like and share with your friends and family, because this might be the information they have been waiting for their financial turnaround. All right, thanks so much. Give the widest publicity that you think it deserves. So let's go back to the business of the day. What we are considering is how to make money daily by watching video ads on your phone with Fire VIP. So quickly, let me take you to the app. All right, so this is the app here. This is how it looks like. So this is the app Fire VIP, the wonderful app that is paying me on daily basis. Okay, so now for you to start making money with this platform, you need to have an account. So don't worry, I get you covered. You need to have an account. I get you covered for that. For that reason, just check the description box of this video for the registration link, so that you can join my team and earn from my team as well. Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to register. You need to keep your login details safe. So after you have registered, then you come down to this place, you click on rent. So when you click on rent, you are going to see the different advert packages, different advertising packages. You start from level A, level B, A level art machine, B level art machine, C level art machine, D level art machine, E level till F levels. So these are the available machine that you are going to purchase. I have successfully activated my A level and B level. That is why it's not showing up here. So for A level cost 4,000 naira and B level cost 16,000 naira. In A level you earn 600 daily. In B level you earn about 900 daily. In C level you earn 2,256 naira daily, and it only costs 40,000 naira. In D levels, you earn 9,536 daily, and it costs 116,000 naira. And all these packages, it lasts for a period of 365 days. So in total, for C level, you'll be earning 2,470,320 naira. In D level hard machine, you'll be earning 10,441 naira, 920 naira. In E level, you are earning 20,000 naira daily, 20,096 naira daily, and the rent price is 320,000. And in total, you'll be earning 22,005,120 naira. And finally, in F levels, it costs naira 60,000 naira, and you are earning 63,360 daily, and in total you'll be earning 69,379,200 naira. So you can make money online with this Fire VIP. Many people have been making money online with it, and I will show you my withdrawal proof. I will show you my earnings so far. Okay, so for you to rent, just click on go to rent, and you also need to top up, but I don't have up to 40,000 rand now. I would have show you how to go about it. So the first thing that you need to do after you have created your account is you need to okay, let me cancel this first. You need to top up. When you are to top up, you can use either your bank or your coin recharge. You can use USDT TRC20, or you can use your bank transfer. So it depends on your own convenient method. So you can deposit 4,000 upward to start the ad machine. So, and people have been making money on daily basis, including me, from this application. So, and after you have successfully, let me close this again. So after you have successfully purchased or rent any of the ad machine, then you now need to come back to home. So you need to run the advert for the day. You need to watch the advert for the day, and it will add up to what you have earned. So I'm going to run mine now to see how it goes. So you can see that right now I am having 1,696 naira in my account balance here. So by the time I'm through with the advert of today, it should have increased to like 3,000 naira or more. So let me go back. Okay, let me go back to home so that I can run to this advert. So I will need to click on start now. Okay, let me start the A level hash machine first. So I need to start the A level hash machine first. Okay, A level hash machine is now running. A level hash machine is now running. So I will need to wait for its completion. Okay, so it's now running. 45% completed. You can see this is the advert that I'm to watch. This is advert for me to watch to complete my task for the day on A level hash machine that I purchased. You can see 93,567. Okay, so that is confirmed. So let me start the B level hash machine also. So the B level hash machine. So this is the advert to be watched. Let me also watch it. Okay. Celebrating what makes women special. Celebrate confidence.
Already confident before, but my confidence level has went through the roof. When I walk into a room, I want everybody to look at me and to know that I am a Mary Kay consultant, that I do wear Mary Kay products, and that I am proud to be a Mary Kay beauty consultant.
So So they are into beauty products. Okay, so 15% completed. Okay,
You should know that you can
so
afford to buy
I'm trying to
anything
run the
with CDK.
the two at a
Pay
time.
small
The super hard machine
Download the
is for
CDK
those that
app
can
today
refer.
to buy and pay
So
small.
super hard machine, B level hard machine is now in progress. 24% completed, 25% completed. That of the super hard machine is now 10% completed. So I will need to wait till the completion of the advert. So it doesn't take time. You can see it's now going 30% and the other one 14%. So that goes. Let me wait for the completion. So let me go back. So I will also receive the NFC. NFC is a token, but it's yet to be launched. But you can still convert some of the little that is dropping for you on daily basis for the completed task. So, for instance, this is the NFC. So I can sell this 44.99 now. I can sell it, and the conversion rate is 1 to 1 naira. Is 1 to 1 naira. So let me sell to the platform. So it's an additional way whereby you can make money. Confirm sell. So you can see it has add up to my account balance. So let me go back to the heart machine that I'm watching. So you can see they're still running. The B level heart machine is now 60% completed, while the super hard machine one is now 45% completed. So I'm still waiting for the 100% completion before the money will drop into, before it to be added to my account balance. Okay, so let's wait for the completion. So that's how it goes. Let's wait for the completion. So it will be completed in let's say in the next 2 minutes. In the next 2 minutes. 77% completed, and this one is 61% completed. So let me show you some of my withdrawal proof. Mine. Click on mine. So let me show you some of my withdrawal proof. Okay, let me show you my withdrawal record. I withdrew a particular amount yesterday. Can see I withdrew 6,200 naira yesterday, but some percentage will be deducted from it. You can see. So let me show you the withdrawal proof here. I got it very early this morning, very early this morning. So this is what I received. I withdrew 6,200, but I got 5,000 plus. You can see 5,084 naira. So this is what I received this morning, very early. You can see the BF put infrastructure time. Can see the time also. 21:07/2022. Today is 21:07, and this is the time here. 5:29. Can see it's dropped this morning to 6,200 after the withdrawal charge has been after the withdrawal charge have been taken. So I'm left with that amount. So this is an opportunity for you to also turn your phone to a money making machine. So let me go back to the rent. Let me see if any of the task has been completed. Start now. Wow, Okay, the B level heart machine is now completed. So the C level heart machine, sorry, the super heart machine is what I'm waiting for now. Okay, 98, 98, 19. Okay, it's now completed also. As you can see, advertising revenue 1056 naira, extra revenue 2011 in NFC. Confirm. Wow, so you can see it has dropped. It has dropped also. So let me now go back to my account balance to see what I have. They can now see that I have 3,759 naira, 3,759 naira there right now. So that is how it goes, and you can make money on daily basis with this, and you can withdraw whenever you have up to um 4,000 naira. Whenever you have up to 4,000 naira, you can withdraw your money. So thanks so much for watching this video. This is where I'm going to stop for today. Meet me in the next video. Until then, have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, and share with your loved ones. All right, for you to get started, you need the registration link, and I get you covered. You can chat me up or check the description box of this video for the registration link for you to get started and start making money online, as I am making money online. Till the next video.